What's going on, everybody? So this video is for all my California clients. If you have 4 or more charge-offs on your credit report, reach out to me. I have an attorney that can sue and get those removed from your credit report free of charge if you are a current client. If you are not a current client and you would like to sign up for my services and you have 4 or more charge-offs, it will be included in what you pay to get started, which is $200 to start, $179 a month. I pay all the attorney fees, you just get the deletions. You will need to sign up for, or not sign up, but I will need your Innovis or Innovis, however you want to pronounce it, credit report, as well as your annual credit report. I will leave the links in the description of the video, as well as the comment section. So just go get them, download them, and then email them to me. I'll leave that information in the description of the video as well. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.